Welcome to ACT Tutorials. My name is Bert, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the source selection plan. The source selection plan is a key document that specifies how the source selection activities will be organized, initiated, and conducted. It serves as the guide for conducting the evaluation and analysis of proposals, and the selection of sources for the acquisition. SSP must clearly and succinctly express the government's minimum needs and their relative order. What is the purpose of a source selection plan? The purpose of the source selection plan is to provide a structured framework for the entire source selection process, ensuring that it is fair, transparent, and consistent. When is a source selection plan required? A source selection plan is required for all best value, negotiated, competitive acquisitions under FAR Part 15, regardless of the dollar value of the acquisition or source selection process utilized. Setting up evaluation subfactors and factors. The evaluation factors, as well as any necessary subfactors and elements, are created by the acquisition team. The decision-making process should take into account user requirements, acquisition goals, extensive market research, and risk assessments. A template to develop a source selection plan offers time-saving benefits, ensures completeness and consistency, promotes compliance, and provides a proven and guided approach. It is an efficient way to kickstart the planning process and lays the groundwork for a successful source selection effort. Visit the Notes website for a mosaic template. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the source selection plan. For more detailed information,